Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can do this like famous wavy effect on Capcut. So select your video. I'm just going to make it really long, and then you're going to select enhance, select body, and select reshape slim -44 or 40. I think it's 40. Press the check mark button and then select it again, and then add a keyframe here. Actually, I need to do this first, and then I am going to go back and add a keyframe here on this page, or else it won't work. Press the check mark button, go to the end of the video, go back to body, and then add another keyframe here. And then, hold on. I don't know why it's not showing up. Let's go back to enhance body. Okay, it's there, but when I do it at the end, hold on, let me. Okay. Oh, now it's there. Oop. And then select the like rotation line, and you're just going to rotate it a few times. And then you're just going to press the check mark button, and that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.